So, I said climatic convention, and the climatic conventions, generally we know that it has been started after I said that 1992, and in the 1992, so the first time Rio summit has been taken place, and then we have also seen that there is at the same time the whole world meet together for the environment, for the protecting the world. Therefore, it is also known as Earth Summit. At the same time, they are highly concerned about how to make our world to be livable, especially in the 21st century. Therefore, it is also known as Agenda 21. So if I am talking about Rio Summit, if I am talking about Earth Summit, if I am talking about Agenda 21, all are same. Yes or not? In 1992. And during that period, three things are important, and those things are important, like I said, that climate change, especially due to greenhouse gas, and then there was a biodiversity loss. Therefore, we have to talk about Convention for the Biodiversity. And another, the world was facing desertification, then how to combat desertification. These three main agendas are there during, which one I said that? Rio Summit. And in which year Rio Summit has been taken place? 1992. Understood it? रियो का मतलब है रियो डी जेनेरियो. आप लोग सभी लोग पता होगा, अब तो पता होगा रियो डी जेनेरियो कहाँ है? ब्राजील. अभी जस्ट ओलंपिक हुआ वहाँ. So Rio Summit, and thereafter 10 years के बाद again the Rio Summit took place, and that is not Rio but it is Earth Summit, that is in the South Africa. Understood? And again after 10 years it has been taken place. Yes? In the again Rio में हुआ. First time Rio, second time South Africa, that is Johannesburg, and then third time it is again Rio. So how many Earth Summit? 3 Earth Summit. The first Rio Summit is Rio Summit. Second one is known as Rio plus 10 after 10 years gap. And third one is after the gap of what? 20 years. It is also known as Rio plus 20. Understood? Again, what is the problem out there? Climate change, biodiversity, desertification. Which are the three? Climate change, biodiversity, and which one? Desertification. Is it clear? लेकिन जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ ये अभी मैं क्लास स्टार्ट नहीं किया हूँ एक्चुअली, मैं तो ऐसे ही बात कर रहा हूँ. आप लोग सोचे होंगे क्लास चल दिया है, तो जस्ट आपको समा बांधने के लिए दैट आई हैव गिवन सम. आई सेड दैट 1992 देयर इज समथिंग एल्स इज देयर. फर्स्ट लिखिएगा 19